15-minute walk fixes a broken brain. Monkey opens phone. Monkey scrolls again. New video, same feeling. Brain tired. Body still. Soul buffering. So monkey tries something dangerous. Monkey goes outside. Without phone. Illegal! Chapter 1. Monkey with broken brain. Monkey brain not okay. Too loud, too fast. Too many thoughts fighting each other. One tab anxiety, one tab regret, one tab random song from 2009. All playing simultaneously. Monkey sitting still, but brain running marathon. Monkey scrolls to relax, does not relax. Scroll more, now worse. Chapter 2. Monkey makes terrible decision. Monkey stands up. This already unusual. Monkey looks at door. Outside exists. Sun present. Air visible. Monkey suspicious. But monkey tired of brain noise. So monkey decides, we go outside. No headphones. No podcast. No stimulation. Just monkey and environment. Mistake. Chapter 3. The Great Walk begins. Immediate regret. Monkey steps outside. Silence. Too much silence. Where is background noise? Where is dopamine? Monkey reaches for phone. Phone not there. Monkey feels phantom vibration. There is no vibration. Brain hallucinating notifications. Severe condition. Monkey keeps walking. Awkward. What do hands do? Where do eyes look? Why is walking this slow? Monkey uncomfortable. Chapter 4. Tech withdrawal. Very real. First 5 minutes, monkey thinking, this is boring, this is useless, we should go back. Brain is screaming for stimulation. No reels, no updates, no quick hits. Just walking. Monkey notices things. Trees, sounds, wind, suspicious details. Brain says, this content is low quality. Monkey almost quits. Chapter 5. Something weird starts happening. Around minute 7, brain slows down slightly. Not silent, but less aggressive. Thoughts become spaced out. Instead of 10 thoughts per second, now maybe 3? Monkey notices breathing. Monkey notices body. Monkey realizes, oh, I exist outside screen. Major discovery. Chapter 6. The monkey's brain starts resetting. Walking continues. No input, no scrolling, no constant novelty. Brain forced to process backlog. Old thoughts come up, but now they pass. No loop, no replay, just then gone. Default mode activates. Monkey not thinking about everything. Monkey just thinking. Naturally, calmly, like original software. Chapter 7. Why this stupid walk works. Monkey brain not built for constant stimulation. Monkey brain built for movement, nature, slow environments. Scrolling breaks this. Too much novelty, too many micro rewards. Brain becomes noisy. Walking fixes this. Why? Because walking gives brain rhythm, low stimulation, space. No pressure, no urgency, just movement. Brain says, finally, we can breathe. Chapter 8. Monkey rediscovers reality. Monkey starts noticing things. Colors brighter, air feels real, thoughts clearer, monkey not checking time every 12 seconds, monkey not craving phone as much. Brain quieter, body calmer, energy returns slightly. Not dramatic, but noticeable. Monkey feels normal, rare state. Chapter 9. Monkey returns, upgraded. Monkey returns inside. Same room, same phone, same life, but brain quieter. Not silent, monkey brain never silent, but no longer screaming like 10 monkeys fighting over one banana. Monkey sees phone. Before, grab instantly. Now, pause. Monkey looks at phone, just rectangle, not magic. Suspicious. Monkey opens app, scrolls once, stops. Brain says, historic moment. Before walk, phone equals everything. Now, phone equals optional. Monkey confused, no urge to check every 3 seconds, no invisible force dragging thumb. Monkey still uses phone, but now monkey choosing, not reacting. Big upgrade. Monkey sits. Thoughts come, thoughts go. No chaos playlist. No emergency meeting in brain, just normal monkey thinking. Monkey realizes, room was always calm. Monkey was not. Monkey puts phone down. No speech, no announcement, just done. Monkey, still monkey. Will scroll again, probably soon, but now monkey knows. Brain broken? Walk. Fix. Chapter 10. Monkey's Verdict. Monkey did not fix life. Monkey did not become enlightened jungle philosopher. Monkey just walked. 15 minutes. No phone, no noise, no distraction. And somehow, brain improved. If brain feels broken, if thoughts feel loud, if everything feels overwhelming, Monkey recommends simple solution. Walk? No music, no podcast, no scrolling, just monkey and world. At first, brain will complain, then brain will quiet. Then brain will thank monkey. The monkey walks again tomorrow, probably.